Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am sharing snack or party appetizer, that is shrimp pakoda or fried shrimp recipe. The best part of it is kids would definitely enjoy this delicious snack. Let's get into the recipe and see how to make this. To start with, here I have taken 15 large shrimp and I am adding 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and half a spoon of cumin powder to the shrimp. Here I also added 1/4 spoon of coriander powder, and then I'm squeezing half a lemon into this shrimp and marinate this for about 30 minutes. Now I'm adding 1/4 spoon of ginger garlic paste to this and give it a good mix until all the spices get mixed up with the shrimp, and now allow it to sit for 30 minutes for marination. Now after 30 minutes, take a wide pan like this and add 2 to 3 spoons of oil to this pan. Allow it to heat and now transfer the shrimp carefully and see that they are not overlapped one over the other, because if they are overlapped or overcrowded, then shrimp oozes water and it will be soggy. We want all the shrimp to be fried well. Saute them in between so that they are well cooked and fried on all sides. Here you can see our shrimp are well fried by this time. Now we can transfer this to a separate bowl and allow them to cool. Now take a separate mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of corn flour to this bowl and 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan to the same bowl. Now add salt according to taste and 1 spoon of soya sauce and 2 spoons of chili sauce to the same bowl. Now add half a spoon of ginger garlic paste and give it a good mix until all the spices combines with this flour. Now gradually mix this, adding water slowly with 1 or 2 spoons, and we have to get the consistency like this. After it is mixed well, add 1 egg white and give it a good stir. Here you can see the consistency of the batter. This is not very thick or not runny, and this is the correct consistency of the batter. Now here I am adding all the pre-fried shrimp to this batter like this. After transferring all the shrimp to this batter, give it a good mix so that the shrimp gets well coated with the batter. Now keep this aside and take a pan and add oil to this and allow it to heat. Once the oil is heated, now carefully transfer each shrimp into this oil like the pakodas. If you want to make very crispy and hard pakodas, you may add little less water than this to the batter, but with the consistency of the batter I have shown you today, we'll get a medium crispy pakodas. After dropping all the shrimp into the oil like this without overlapping, allow them to leave it until they are little fried. After they are little fried, saute them and flip them to cook on the other side also. Here you can see all our shrimp pakodas are well cooked on both sides and they are light golden brown in color. Now we can transfer them. This way we can make restaurant style fried shrimp or shrimp pakoda very easily at home that kids would love to enjoy. So friends, try making this and do comment how you like them. If you like my recipes and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.